Well, everyone, today I'm gonna make a video about Fibonacci number. It's about math. It's a bit about math. It's just a basic math formula, but there's a lot of things that we can have if we know about Fibonacci number. We can generate, like unique pattern, and also some people who playing trading with the Fibonacci number. So that's really nice things to know about Fibonacci number. That's how we can have if we know about Fibonacci number, right? But no worries about the formula, because the things that we need, it's just about this, right? So, and we're gonna make like this picture and this picture also. So let's take a look, and let's go to our code editor. So as you can see, I already make rules here. This from the Wikipedia. So this is the rules one, this is the first rules, and after that is the second rules, right? So yeah, let's get started. So the first one, we need to generate a pip. I already create a functions name, and you can write with freely about the name. So we take an argument, let's call the parameters, I think, and we can see here it's like I think 11, and you can do looping here, right? For let e equals 0, e smaller than farms, and e plus plus. So we're gonna store the Fibonacci number that we generate in array. So we make a array empty here. So the idea in the real life, like if you have like a lot of books, and you go if you also a bookshop to store your book, and you can arrange your book based on what the books that you love the most, right? It's like you sort the book. So the idea is same like this. So if e equals 0, or e equal 1, we can assign as a fifth index e equal 1. We don't need 0 as the first index. No problem. I think it's no problem, because also here we don't need like this, right? So we can fifth index e equal, take a look at our second formula for fifth e minus 1, right? Because the f number minus 1 plus fifth index e minus 2, right? It's the same. So after that we can console what we have. So log fifth index e, I think. So log fifth, not fifth. So if we can see here on console, this is the Fibonacci number that we have. Okay, I think it's less 1, right? We can say it like this, 12, and it's same 155. So our press function is already success, and we can go to next step. We're gonna generate we're gonna make visualizations. I'm so sorry about my English. I think it's not really good. So we can make a functions called Visualisasi, and you can make functions like this is raw functions. You can also make functions like this, looks like this. So it's doesn't need visual pips. It's like need to generate pip, like a pip number. We assign generate pip to store in the variable. So after that we can access with looping. Oh yeah, for this one you can also doing recursions or recursive. It's up to you to make these things looks like, right? So we can return pip plus, and after that pip number for let key equals 0, key less than dot smaller than pip number dot 9, right? And key plus plus. So sorry, I'm not really good on English, right? And I think our time is limited. It's only Instagram only allow us 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes, right? Okay. So I think I need to make this videos faster. So yeah, we can console what we have. Console look. So the idea here, we need to keep. We need to have an access to an access for every item inside of the an array, right? Not so yeah. Oh sorry, I think generate peep and this one visual peep. So yeah, we already have an access. We can access an F, and so this one we can make like a rectangle, the 0 from the 0 and start with 0. If you take a look at here, actually when we start to draw on a canvas, we start from origin. It's a 0 0, and after that, if we want to make a width and height, this one will be drawn like this. So this one will be based on pips or fifth number. Not fifth number, I think. Sorry, let fifth sequence. I think we need to get store the value on in a new variables fifth number index key. So it will be a fifth sequence, right? And after that is fifth sequence also, right? So fifth sequence. So that's how we have, and we can because we need to translate these positions to the center. We need to playing with like this window with divided by 2, window height divided by 2, I think, right? So I think make a mistake. I'm sorry. Yeah, this one is already on this one center, right? But and after that we can draw an arc. It's like draw like circles. It start from the fifth sequence, after that from 0, so it can access like this, right? So it can draw an ellipse like this, right? And because we can access like this one, we can multiply the fifth sequence with 2, fifth sequence of 2, and start from 90 degree and yeah to 80 degree. So what we have, yeah, is like our circle like this, right? And but it's we're gonna translate this one based on fifth sequence, I think, right? Yeah, after that we can rotate 90 degree. It's really hard if I don't have a, yeah, it's already in the same like this, right? Yeah, and if I remove the arc, it also generate the sequence like that, right? It's same, right? Because it's 21, I think it's the big value here. It's about 154. So yeah, and we can start from 100. So because we gonna make how many we're gonna make animations. We're gonna playing with big number. So yeah, it's like this, right? And after that, we need to make a scale variable, scale number, and it starts from 0, and we're gonna decrease scale number for every loop that we have. Scale number, it's minus 0 1, and we can multiply this number, scale number. So that what we have, right? That's really nice. We can and access for all the value exists on this, right? And also if you want to doing a fifth sequence like this, also we can doing fifth scale number, sorry, scale number. Yeah, that looks good. And also you can doing some experiments. Sorry, I think I made a mistake. here. Even you can rotate the multiply the rotate by your scale number, like this. It's more like, yeah. And yeah, I think I need to make any color here. Wait for color, let the color green, blue, red. Actually you can generate like another color like RGB or else, but I don't want to spend my time about that because of that. There's a thing, I think, pro, right? So after that we can make a fill, this fill color based on my sequence, not fill, color index of my sequence, I think, no, fifth sequence modulus 2 differentiation fill color index of fill fifth sequence. How about this? Oh, sorry. Default color index. How about this? Random. We just make a random two. What's really good? Yeah, we can. Okay, it still have value. We can make like this on, and also we can make color. We can make text, but I think no need to make create a text like this. Yeah, it's I just don't need no need to. How about this? Yeah, you can do a lot of things, I think, right? And you don't need to I don't know what should I think we take a look at this. You can do a lot of things. You can create your own idea about that. And text size, it's like 2 multiplied by fifth sequence also, and you can text it's like fifth sequence to string, and also you can take the argument from this one, I think. Sorry, copy, and yeah, and you can fill also with blue fill. Look, there is not functions to swing. Sorry. So as you can see here, we generate number, right? And I think we can deal with this one for make formations. Look, it's really nice. So I think that's all from my side. I'm not really good to speak in English, I'm so sorry about that, and I make a lot of mistake, I think. And you can also improve the functions here, and actually this course already exists on YouTube, but I make a different thing with my own algorithm. It's more like a dynamic, since I generate these ones, right, with my own algorithm. So yeah, there's a lot of things that we can deal with the math. So yeah, I think it's better for us to understands about math for a lot of things. Yeah, as long as we can have visualizations about that. You can also watch like a three prone. I think my time. Yeah, okay. You can watch this one video about math. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.